For Wazobia TV, na total package we carry can give you. On top of chop chop, you know, so when you sabi chop food, you self go like better thing. That's why on top of the show chop chop today, we carry betterment, carry can give you. We get people who go cook the food, and we get those ones who go judge them. You sabi cook, oh yeah, carry your load, follow us. On top of Twitter, on top of Facebook, make you follow us for Instagram, self, make you do as it's supposed to be. Because for here, food, they join nature and culture together. This one na Chop Chop, and my name na Quimby for channel 195 for Wazobia TV. We don't enter inside Chop Chop kitchen, and you know, say when we enter, now serious business now we won't do. Today on top of the Chop Chop thing, you know say na so we dey do them. We get two contestants we go contest within themselves. This one I call say they go drag them, they go try to see who go win them. Join me, make we do them together. This one na Chop Chop. On top of Chop Chop, we get two judges we go judge the food where the contestants go cook, and we also get two contestants we go cook for us. Today na plantain we carry come. They go cook Nigerian plantain porridge in a different way. If you never eat this one before, why not? Go get your plantain, get your pots ready, and the things where they want to cook them, where they go explain to us. Make we all do them together. Make we see if you self go learn something from this one, because now waiting we can't do for here be that. But before then, make we meet our contestants. We go cook for us. If you get son for house, teach them how to cook, because the first contestant na guy, and he won't cook for us. Make we meet him. Make we hear what's in be name. My brother, how you doing?
Good afternoon, ma.
What's in be your name?
My name is Shamsuddin Ogundikpe.
Shamsuddin Ogundikpe. From where?
Exactly, from Ogun State.
Ogun State. And you sabi cook?
By the grace of God.
All right, so make we see. What thing you want to cook for us today?
I want to cook plantain.
Okay.
And concassé. We are compliment.
Okay, plantain concassé.
Yeah.
But for Nigeria, we just cook plantain porridge. You don't know whether na concassé or whatever.
In order to make things look different from what we are cooking.
You want to make it different.
Exactly.
All right, no wahala. I'm going to meet the second contestant. My sister, how you doing?
I do fine. Good afternoon.
What's be your name?
My name is Lizzie.
Lizzie.
Yes.
All right, Lizzie, where you come from?
I come from Ebonyi State.
Ebonyi State. People will chop plantain, remain.
Yes, so.
All right, what do you want to do for us today on top of chop chop?
I want to cook our local food, plantain porridge.
Plantain porridge.
Yes.
All right, explain to us how you want to start. What thing and what thing you want to use?
Well, I go use my dry fish, my spice, salt to taste. I'll use my crayfish, because crayfish is very essential in this. And I will come use ugu, take garnish with my blended pepper, so that the thing will come out well.
All right. Okay,
I'll use my palm oil, because now palm oil that they take cook this kind of food.
Wow. Okay, now Shamsuddin, what do you self carry?
So I get dry fish. That is called ejagbigbe in Yoruba.
Ejagbigbe.
Exactly.
All right. This one, okay.
This is sauce, my sauce.
Okay.
This is salt.
Okay.
And this is crayfish, grounded crayfish.
Okay.
And this pepper.
Okay.
And this ugu.
All right.
And my palm oil to make everything look superb and attractive.
Wow. Okay. To chop food now better thing, and these people don't ready. Whether na he, whether na she. But before them, we could meet our judges. The people who want make today, make we know say yes, na real. This one, now in they call competition inside kitchen. And you know the funny thing, na charcoal pots now we won't use. Take cook this one. We know they use gas, so you go to say pank you don't cook. It must be the way it's supposed to be. Make we meet our judges. My sisters, how on a day?
We dey
all the fine ladies. When I self know about food.
All
right, food. What's in your name?
My name is Judith Awudu.
Judith Awudu. Oh, Judith Awudu, where you come from?
I come from Edo State.
Edo State. We the Edo people. We serve the chop plantain.
Yes, so well.
All right. Your name, my sister?
My name is Nankiru Odocha.
Nkiru, where you come from?
From Imo State.
Imo State. Wow. Even people self know about them. Edo people self know about them. And we get our chefs. We won't compete within themselves. If you dey house, not think say na only woman they enter kitchen, men too they enter kitchen. You want join us? Follow us on Top Chop Chop, because now here all the magic therefore happen. Make yourself no miss am. Make yourself they part of this one. Make you stick with us on top of Chop Chop. But before then, make we go for a small shikini break. We dey come back so that we go wash our hand, we go arrange our pot for fire. Now here, now for the happen. This one na Chop Chop, and my name na Queen B. Why you decide to cut the plantain?
Well, I cut them because now like this we go take cut them to give us the porridge we dey fine.
Oh,
if I no cut them like this, if I just cut them like that, put inside pot, you know go make sense. The thing no go come out well.
Well,
yes.
You go too big.
Yes.
You know, go. All right. Shamsuddin.
Nah.
I see say you don't enter tomato level.
Exactly.
You don't come up for where the plantain there. You don't send and go inside pot.
Exactly.
Why you decide to put them with the back? Why?
Because you call it, this is a local method which we have to introduce to people. That you know there is difference between opening the back and putting it on it like this, because it has different taste. It gives it, and we are using charcoal also.
Okay, the charcoal go make
exactly. It will make the taste comes out very well.
Wow. All right, make we see what thing go happen.
No problem.
Well, I see say your contestant, she don't go far. She don't slice the banana every time. Banana been a planting.
No problem.
And you still there here, they chop your own.
Oh.
Make we see them. And you know, say the judges, they go judge you based on your timing.
No problem.
Your presentation and your style where you take present them. Wow. Everything now to cut.
I go cut to go
everything
cut everything.
Now you go cut.
Yes, so.
Oh. If I fit put the, it go melt now.
Ah no. I no go put am like
people,
that.
All the drama they happen. My mouth done the water. I don't know whether you self done the hungry, because really I no feel wait to taste them, and I know say my judges they don't they wait. These women don't ready to test this to make them see whether this one now we they call food for Nigeria. But me, I know say plantain now something where they special. It gets protein, it get vitamins where many. If you get children too, you fit self join to make them for them, you know, make family enjoy what they're supposed to. But we go to see. We'll see who go win this one, because now battle for those ones where they enter kitchen. But one thing I know for inside kitchen, you got to be very creative. You got to know how to put blue, join yellow, and purple or pink. You dey smile. Abi I lie?
No.
Because I don't say you don't cut the tomato, you dey remove the intestine of the tomato, you dey slice everything together.
Exactly.
That one I make them different for you, and I make say you dey creative. if not me, I'll just blend everything together.
Well, that is the reason I said is the handwork of God, not by our own.
Oh, now handwork of God.
Yes.
You be guy. You think say make women allow their sons they enter kitchen?
If you say so.
For Nigeria, we not agree say make our boys they enter kitchen. We just feel saying our girls na in get kitchen.
You know, you know all these things. It depends on your interest.
Okay,
so
na
far
interest.
You have exactly.
Oh, because you na proper Yoruba man.
Exactly.
And for Yoruba land, na the man suppose.
Even all
they
this
wait to make food enter.
This will give an awareness of a lady that want to go out with me, that he or she must be ready to cook.
Oh, okay. What of you, Sabi cook now? She don't need to cook.
She must too.
Eh?
Because I will train her myself.
Okay, you go train her.
Exactly.
Better pass. It go good make husband teach wife, because now the best part be that. All right, you feel say you didn't normal make husband teach wife how to cook.
Yes, so. Eh?
Okay, you
no, I don't hear you well. I no agree.
Make your husband know how to cook, because nothing you go do, go do right.
I feel agree make he sabi cook small sha, because the time I go get belle, when I go come back from work, I no go get power to cook.
Not true.
Make he enter kitchen, because no be they no marry woman to come suffer.
You self want to enjoy.
Yes.
My judge is waiting when I think. You hear what she talk? Well. Not the only women come suffer.
No, I'm not saying now only. Sometimes they make me laugh when I hear say na men no suppose enter kitchen. Maybe not because of the kind of house where I come from. Okay. Because my papa sabi cook well.
Wow.
My papa na trained chef.
Okay.
And all my brothers too, them sabi cook. So, and God come bless me. The man who I marry says sabi cook. So some kind of times, you know, you go want sit down, stretch leg.
My people, in case I don't know her, she be the food blogger. She get food blog. What's be your blog name again?
Not playing with recipes.
Playing with recipes. She dey play with food. Every ingredient where you know she dey play with them. This one, that's why we bring her come on top of the show, because we know say she know waiting and waiting to put, and she know how it's supposed to taste. If you add sweet and sour together, if you not get them right, by main scene, people like you go decide say no.
Yeah.
It don't make sense.
Because you know, say as we know, we dey eat food first with our eyes. So if you don't find, you know, go attract you to eat them. Even if the food sweet.
But as you be say you dey visit mama put.
Yes, now they get correct food.
They get some mama put away.
And now way the food they arrange very well.
Because me, I've been Lagosian and I don't do Lagos for a while now. I know it gets some places where I know go on. You know if you see me say I dey chop for there.
But those kind of food they make sense.
Not be say I dey form. I just. All right, our contestants they spice them up. Everything they move as it's supposed to go. I don't see fish they don't dismantle the head from the tail. Bones don't they fly come out for the body. This chop not be smart, you know. If you dey hungry, I bet grab your remote, sit down there, make you watch them. Because for on top of this show, we they bring different kind of food for you. Every Saturday night, this one they happen on top of Wazobia TV. My name na Queen B. In case you jam me for a road, tell me say you dey hungry. I dare you say I go feed you. Even from the words wey go come out from my mouth, you go belleful. Shamsidin don't enter in own kitchen now. You know they talk to anybody, but we got to keep on to the talk because for here. To chop food na be our business. My mouth don dey water. I don't know as I want to explain them. But we go know sha. I see the thing don dey change color. Why?
Yeah, exactly.
Wetin make am dey change color? Na the heat don enter.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, see Yoruba man wey enter kitchen. Wait to say he won't cook. Wetin carry and live in palace. Live that in pride as I talk. Say Yoruba people, they know they use their food they play. Moku know wetin happen today. Where Shamsidin decide say in one enter kitchen make it cook because the matter they baffle me somehow. I don't meet men where they cook too, but when you never can tell. You no go fit talk am. Mouth no let me talk. You don't dey clean plates. The thing done ready.
It's about to.
All right, so my
no
people.
No wasting time at all.
Ain't talk saying own done they ready, and we know say the other contestant own done they ready too. Make you no go far. Make you put your eye on top of the TV because hey, Wazobia TV we don't carry different one come. In case you never know, now for channel 195 for start time. 9 this one they happen. My name still remain Queen B. If you're hungry, I say if you see me for road, ask me what you supposed chop. I go make an album for you because me myself now food as you see myself chop belly food. But now plantain I be the business for this one today. You know go one miss up. I see say you dey pause. You don't confuse.
Confuse ke. Let's not dey confused for this kind of thing. No.
This one are the first time where you go do this one or now waiting you don't choose say you won't do?
Waiting I don't choose say I won't do. In fact, now waiting I dey study for school.
Oh, you dey study am?
Yes.
Wow. In case you don't know say that they study how to cook food, I beg. Make you know say na career where people they choose for their life. If you know fit speak plenty English, you feel say you know fit write too much. May yourself choose career inside cooking because I tell you this one go carry you go so many places because me no believe say that they read them. I think say na just talent or just say you sabi cook. Now it be I don't know say that they read them. So you they read them for how many years now? You don't go school?
No, my final year I did.
Your final year?
Yes.
For which of the school?
Yaba College of Technology.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
You see him, you don't hear him. Okay, now my brother. I see say you don't reach this pot like 2-3 times. Make you turn the pot small, make we see the color. Because I don't see and say they change our camera no if you enter inside. Just turn and make with no burn hand though. No burn finger. Wow, the color don't change. And you know if you see this kind one, make you know one chop. Chop. Now here it happen. Explain to us wetin be this one.
I use
this one.
This one is plantain.
Boiled plantain.
Boiled plantain.
You put them for fire, you
yes.
put salt or you no put?
I put salt. I added a little salt.
Okay.
To it. And why this one is concassé still with dried fish.
Okay.
Called
okay.
ejagbigbe.
Okay.
Which comprises of the fish, the onions, and the tomato. With I garnish it with ugu.
Ha! This one you don't speak plenty English. People say go come confused for us because now pidgin now they speak and Wazobia. They go surprised say this chef, he like to speak plenty Oyibo. But make una no think and make una no confused. Now still Wazobia TV. I tell you, chef, you speak Yoruba on top here, you fit speak Hausa, you fit speak Igbo. That's why we be Wazobia. Wazobia TV. All right, you don't cook and finish. Make we carry am go. Make our judges still. But before they make you wait, more check your contestant whether she self don't finish her own. My darling, you don't do and finish.
I don't do
everything
and finish.
Don't set. The aroma just hit me left, right, and center. Tell us the process where you make this one.
Well, very simple.
Okay.
I slice my plantain.
Okay.
I chop the plantain.
Okay.
Put inside my pot.
Okay.
Put my crayfish, my spice, my salt. Time for fire, add small water.
This one we just call an concoction.
Yes, so because now porridge.
Okay.
I know they fry anything here.
Okay.
If you fry them, then I don't know the name where you go call them.
All right.
Then I put them for pot. When the thing they boil small, I can add my pepper.
Okay.
Yes, allow them cook small before I can add my palm oil. I leave them for some minutes. The thing cook. It cooks small. I don't perceive the aroma small. Then I can decide to add my vegetable. I leave them for like less than 1 minute. I bring them down because that ugu, you know, supposed cook done well.
All right, we suppose they taste and say it's still fresh.
Yes.
All right, it don't reach time. Moment of truth. Now be this one. You feel say you go feel convince the judges.
Well, by the grace of God.
All right, you feel say you go feel convince the judges.
Yeah, I feel.
You calm down before you talk.
Because I first picture the food where I want to give them.
All right, make we go meet our judges. Make we hear whether them self believe say wetin una don cook go make sense for where them dey. Because these two people, they believe say food na the very first thing where you must sabi cook as human being. If you no sabi cook, you still dey sit down for long chair. All right, my sister, how you see the process in the go? Because I see say you dey show finger, they say wetin. I don't know. I don't hear wetin you talk.
I like as the way two of them take them two different ways.
Okay.
So now I really know if you wait to test them to see how these ingredients where them put take work together.
Okay.
So I think we did very anxious.
Especially the boy that name when they call that in our own tester.
All right.
And plus the smell of the fish.
The thing don't come outside. All right, make we give them, because all will be ladies. Make we give them the benefit of that. May come first. All right, come serve your judges. Make we see waiting you don't prepare for them. Yes.
Sorry.
Something. Wow. This is.
My brother, what do you call the name of this?
What do you call her?
Concassé.
Yes.
No, it's not the first time I hear this kind.
Now, from which state that one come from?
That one is the combination of both an African and this European.
Okay, so now the plantain now be the African.
Exactly.
Then the sauce now come, but for European they know they use palm oil. How you take come with that one?
You know, it depends on the ingredients we are giving.
Okay.
So far we are providing any ingredients, so we must make use of what we have been provided.
All right. Make you know.
I still say you use the skin. Not best for my sister. I still say you use the skin, cook the plantain.
Yeah. Yes.
Why you do them like that?
You know, in African, we don't peel the back of the plantain.
Okay.
You know,
why
we have to cook it along with it in order to bring the taste of real plantain, and it will come out very well.
I guess nice. You talk on before. That's why I asked you that question again, because it means that you yourself don't even know the reason why you do them where.
Definitely.
You see that thing, and my people for house, if you want to cook your plantain, as seen do them like that, they're very advisable because they help us keep the nutrients them inside the plantain. So people them way they fight diabetes, so weight loss, so it is very good and very healthy and very advisable for everybody to they boil their plantain like that with the skin. Then when you don't cook and finish, you can't remove the skin, can't chop them. Very good.
You believe them?
The palm oil taste come out well. The fish come out well too.
The way when you garnish the thing, the sauce when you make. What will not conclude finish. What will still taste our sister one. But this one sweet well.
This one makes sense.
Just say more still, they be like say we go even ask for more because it's sweet.
Or you need takeaway pack.
That kind of thing. You feel no way too.
All right, so my people, then test them. They toss the palm oil makes sense. The fish self, the aroma come outside. Maybe you self go start to fry your own smoked fish. But I'm going to leave the judges, make them chop down and drink water, make them settle down. Because by the time we go bring the concussion we don't make, now different story. Because me self, no go ready. Me could finish this one, make myself go chop small inside this one. I tell you, for Wazobia TV, Anna Queen B, now I be the host of this one. Because chop chop, it is different from any kind of cooking show where you don't see before. This one, everything local, from charcoal to the local pots. From everything local. The only electronic we use now the TV where you take the watch me. That's why we say make you not touch that die, because for Wazobia TV, different program now they come meet you. My name still remain Queen B. Will they come back? We judges talk say they enjoy the first one, but may they never judge because they never taste the second one. Now guy, yes, we give him chance, make you express himself. But the lady too just stay calm because she believe in what she do. Because they say what a man can do, woman fit do one better. But this one, it turned the other way around. We won't prove ourselves on top of chop chop. Make we see whether she self no carry last for the matter. My sister, carry the food go, make we see whether the judges go testify, say you prove yourself. Explain wetin happen for here.
Well, they're very simple. Now local porridge I cook.
Okay.
Mixed with vegetable.
Okay.
Called ugu in our native language.
Okay.
Oyibo man they call them pumpkin leaf.
Okay.
But we call them ugu because now the name will take no am.
Okay.
I use plantain with sauce. That's tomato and pepper.
Okay.
I can't garnish them with crayfish.
Okay.
Spice, salt to taste. And I can't put my dry fish because for this kind of thing, if you dey cook them, you must add dry fish inside.
Okay.
To make them come out very good. And the vegetable, I not put them when I dey cook the food because if I put them, the vitamins it go come out finish. Okay. I just leave them when I cook finish. I just put them, make the thing done together.
All right, my judges. How na see? I see say your face. You don't they move to the permanent site. I tell you get waiting food they do person for body.
True. The ugu fresh well.
Okay.
And the taste come out well.
You agree? Say yes. Now so it's supposed to be.
I think everything marry well.
They marry themselves.
Yes. Because the spices no overpower anyone.
Each other. Okay.
And go hard though.
Go really hard.
All right, I say go hard for them to judge, for them to know who be the winner. But once they make you know, for on top chop chop, everybody now winner. It just be say somebody got to push past the other person. If you self think say you fit join us on top of this show, what we they call chop chop, where we they talk about everything Nigerian food and even the one from Obodo we country. Why not? If not, make you join us on top of our website. Go on top of our Facebook, www.facebook.com/WazobiaTV.tv, or you want to follow us on top Twitter. Why not make yourself follow us for there at WazobiaTV.tv. My name still remain Queen B. We they come back with the judges. Moku know who be the winner on top of this one. But for now, Moku grab small break because when we come back, our judges go down drink water. They go down agree to settle for who be the winner. We they come back. We judges don't chop. They don't use plates, take heat spoon. They don't drink water, they don't keep cup for ground. Now it don't reach that time where they go tell us who be the winner for this plantain battle. Here we get plantain and
African concassé.
Plantain and African concassé. And we get this one. Which one you cook for us?
Plantain porridge.
Plantain porridge. Yeah. Make we go over to our judges. Make them tell us the one person will win this one. And like you know what's in I talked before, I said we go judge them by the time we then take cook them and the style of the presentation, and again how it tastes for mouth. make we go meet with judges. We judges them how una feel say this one be.
Oh, wow.
The competition tight well.
All right.
Well.
This kind of thing, they good make one person mess up, you know, so that you go just say this person win, this person no win. But the competition tight. For my own judgment, I go say Team Red.
Okay.
For presentation, I go give them 7.
Okay, you go give them 7 for presentation.
Yes, for presentation.
Okay.
Then for taste, I go also give them 7 because everything work together well and it tastes well.
Okay.
Then for creativity, I go give them 9. Because you see that plantain when you cook with the skin, that it makes sense. Well.
It doesn't make me they lick my mouth.
So yes, so for that one, I go give them that very high mark for that creativity and that thing we do. And waiting teach our people them for house.
Okay. So in total, you give them
everything will come be 23.
Okay. All right. Our Team Red don't carry 23 for his own. Make we know whether na the concussion own na him go win. All right. For the concussion own, what you go give her?
I don't know why they call am concussion. Because this porridge, na the kind porridge where they say bring us up. Now this one I we know.
Okay.
As porridge.
Okay.
And I go say Team Black. The way she take cut am small. It makes sense. So it be waiting with they call mouthful.
Okay.
So you go feel easily just carry am, put am for mouth easily, and it go make you enjoy the thing well.
All right. For presentation.
For presentation, I go say, oh well, I go give her 6.
Okay.
Because I for like expect some other things. Maybe for like, you know, just make her look fine one kind, you know. So I go give her 6 for presentation.
Okay.
But for taste, I go give her 8.
She don't enter.
Yes, because the way she make this, her spices them, all of them work well.
Okay.
If you want almost
the pepper.
the chili, if you want too much, the pepper, but it can't make the thing balance.
Okay.
Can't make you know, say plantain they sweet.
Yes.
So it can't balance the sweetness.
All right.
Can't make them good. So I go give them 8.
All right.
For taste.
Okay.
Then for creativity. This not the normal thing where we know.
Okay. Nothing different from the
nothing really they too different from waiting we know, but she still try do am well, and she still make sure say, you know, the fish, the ugu, the leaf, the vegetable no overcook.
Okay.
So I go still give am 6.
All right.
For that one.
In total, she win waiting.
In total, that one go come be 20.
They say wetin woman feed do, man self feed one. And when he carry him muscle enter kitchen, he say by the grace of God. If you believe in God, believe in your stomach, and believe in wetin your hand go do for you. That's why on top of Chop Chop, I tell you, everybody na winner. Nobody say she no win, Team Black. But I tell you, for this one, that's Team Red 9 carry am. Thank you so much, my people. On top of Chop Chop for Wazobia TV. On top of Start Time, every Saturday, make you no change your that, because now here, now we for them make this one they happen for you. I know say you said done the house, you don't learn 1 or 2 things, you go still try them. When you try them and you won't give us report, follow us on top Twitter, make we do them together. Make you put them at Chop Chop for Twitter. Make you follow him, because me self go follow you back. Make we do them as it's supposed to be. Till next time again when we come your way. Now every Saturday now we do this one. Make you follow us, join us for the conversation. And if you want to follow us on top Instagram, make you go there at Chop Chop. You go see all the colorful food what we go display for you. Thank you so much, because Nahim be our winner on top of Chop Chop today. Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We hope say your ministry go move further.
By grace of Almighty.
Amen. All right, my people. Now here we for take a round them up. Hungry don't they catch me? Make we cut and make myself go enjoy myself. See you next time.